In this video, you're going to learn how to grow your hair fast. In fact, these exact hair growth tactics have been scientifically proven to safely and effectively supercharge your hair growth. So how do you make your hair grow faster? Let's jump right in with strategy number 1, optimizing your diet. This is probably the most critical strategy to make your hair grow faster. Think about it. Hair growth is not the most important bodily function for your survival. So if you're restricting your body of energy and nutrients, hair growth will stop, and you will start shedding hair. To avoid this, you need to pack your diet with healthy, nutrient-rich foods such as lean beef, green leafy vegetables, whole grains, fatty fish, flax seeds, egg yolks, nuts, and berries. You also need to make sure that you consume enough protein to support hair growth. This is at least 0.36 grams of protein per pound of body weight, or 0.8 grams per kilogram. Additionally, remove junk food and empty calories from your diet, as these will sabotage your hair growth. If you already optimized your diet, congratulations! You're ready for strategy number 2, hair growth supplements. If you want to grow your hair fast, there are 7 supplements that will get you results. Number 1, vitamin B complex. These vitamins are absolutely crucial to hair growth. In fact, it has been shown that women who took a biotin supplement for 3 months had significantly faster hair growth than women who took a placebo. The other B vitamins are also essential for growing your hair. So your best bet is to take a high-quality methylated B vitamin complex every day. Number 2, vitamin D. If you want to grow your hair fast, you need to pay attention to vitamin D. In fact, vitamin D deficiencies have actually been linked to hair loss. You can easily get more vitamin D by getting more sunlight exposure. If you don't get much sunlight, you probably need a vitamin D supplement. If you decide to supplement with vitamin D, make sure to choose a high-quality vitamin D3 supplement, not D2. Number 3, vitamin E. This is the powerhouse of hair growth supplements. In fact, taking a daily vitamin E supplement can increase your number of hairs by 34.5%. Number 4, omega-3. Supplementing with omega-3 fatty acids is a surefire way to stronger hair. Studies have shown that omega-3 supplementation both increases hair growth and decreases hair loss. You can get omega-3 fatty acids from algae or fish oil. But for the best results, choose a high-quality, mercury-free, non-GMO krill oil supplement. Number 5, keratin. This is a commonly underrated hair growth supplement. But in fact, a study showed that taking 500 milligrams per day of keratin was able to reduce hair loss by 34.4% in just 90 days. Not only that, but it also improved the appearance of the hair by 47.1% and increased the hair's strength by 6%. Keratin will also make your nails stronger, so it's a win-win. Number 6, Korean red ginseng. Also known as Panax ginseng, this plant has been linked to several health benefits, including decreased hair loss. If you decide to add Korean red ginseng to your supplement stack, make sure to take it in the morning, as it might interfere with your sleep. Last but not least, we have supplement number 7, collagen. Although it's not completely clear whether supplementing with collagen directly enhances hair growth, collagen is rich in amino acids that make up hair. So adding bone broth to your diet, or taking a scoop of high-quality hydrolyzed collagen might help support your hair growth. Do you have your supplement stack ready? Great! Then you're ready for strategy number 3. Massage your scalp with rosemary oil. A study has shown that rosemary essential oil is just as powerful in treating pattern baldness as a commonly prescribed pharmaceutical treatment. Rosemary oil is strong. It improves scalp circulation, promotes hair growth, and even fights off dandruff. You can apply 4 or 5 drops of rosemary essential oil directly into your scalp and massage it. Or you can also mix it with your shampoo or conditioner in your hands before use. Remember, rosemary essential oil is quite potent, so don't overdo it. Let's keep moving with strategy number 4, stress management. When you're stressed or anxious, your body will experience a surge of a hormone called cortisol. Elevated levels of cortisol for long periods of time will affect the normal function of the hair follicle. As a result, your hair will become thinner, and eventually, you'll start to shed hair. So what should you do? Let's face it, nobody can completely avoid stress in their lives, but we can manage it. Learning relaxation techniques, meditating, exercising regularly, getting enough sleep are all great ways to make your body more resilient to stress. You can also use adaptogenic herbs like ginseng, rhodiola, or ashwagandha. These incredible herbs will help your body deal with all kinds of stress. Now, it's time for our last strategy on how to grow hair fast. at-home low laser light therapy. This is a powerful technique to promote faster and stronger hair growth that works by biostimulating your hair follicles with low-level laser lights. Several devices exist that allow you to do this at home, and you only need to do it once or twice a week. But beware, many low-quality laser therapy devices on the market are a complete waste of money. So if you're thinking of buying one, we recommend choosing a high-quality one that has been cleared by the FDA and has positive reviews from previous customers. Now, we want to turn it over to you. Do you have any hair growth hacks that you swear by? Have you tried any of these strategies? Let us know what you think by leaving a comment below. Now, if you enjoyed this video, then make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more actionable hair and skin tutorials.